Welcome to Foggy Tech. Today I will be unboxing this fake Apple Watch Ultra, which is called WS8 Ultra. Without further ado, let's open it up and see what's inside. Although we don't have the exact same design compared to the real Apple Watch, but it still looks decent to me. Then we have a menu that is well written in English and Chinese, say that we have to actually download an app in order to use it, which support both Android and iOS, unlike the real watch. Stay here, little Foggy. Then we have a charger feel much more plastic and lightweight compared to the real one. Well, that's what I expected with such price. Then we have a orange watch band. As you may see, the color on the back looks so cheap to me, and we have a gold color on the side, and let's turn it on. I've managed to boot it up after a few minutes of charging, and the first impression to me is it looks decent and not bad with such price. The side button allows you to change watch face quickly, and if you are a current Apple Watch user, you may find it difficult and get some time to get used to it. And it feels some kind of weird lagging, and it won't happen on the real one. In comparison to my real Apple Watch that I bought it last year, it cost me $699. But on the other hand, it cost me $40 on this fake Apple Watch. Of course, you will get a much better experience and smoother device while using the real one, but I don't complain with a $40 device. Yo. Let's download an app to see some extra functions, and I have a old iPhone on me right now, and I got this app downloaded which is called Audi Fits, which sounds like a fitness app to me. Add device, select my WS8. Face Market allows you to download tons of faces. I'm not gonna lie, the watch faces are much more compared to the original Apple Watch without paying it. Wait. Okay. As you can see, it supports most of the functions that I use on my daily basis while wearing the Apple Watch. Notification, alarm reminder, drinking reminder, weather, etc. It pretty much do exactly the same thing that the Apple Watch do. Let's wear it and test it out. Let's see my heartbeat right now. I'm definitely not sure about my current heartbeat, but I can test it with my real one. Let's do a side-by-side comparison. On top, you will see my real one, and on the bottom, you will see my fake one. And obviously, there's a difference, as you can see. I'm looking at this device as a reference device. Although it's not accurate, but, well,
SPO2.
It's working, but just don't count on it. The other good thing about this watch, it comes with 3 watch bands. The bands looks good, but is it working on my real one? As you can see, it's slide right out. I don't know why I expected it.
Whatever. But what about the... Oh, you don't actually have the button to put on it. Oh, that may be the reason my temperature or heartbeat is not accurate.
All we need to know is that the quality itself won't be any good with such price.
Only cost me like $40.
Please leave a comment and let me know what you think about this watch. Is it worth the price? To me, I think it supports most of the functions that an Apple Watch providing to me on my daily basics, health, notification, etc. That's all for today, and I will see you in the next video.